What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at near here, and as we can see, it does look as though things are, pretty much bouncing perfectly in between our Fibonacci levels right now. You can see quite clearly we've drawn our Fibonacci retracement here from the previous high to the previous low, so we can get an idea of some of the extensions we've been looking for. And obviously, as you can see, since we broke the previous all-time high here, we've run all the way up to the 127 extension pretty much perfectly. And since then, we've had a bit of a retracement. We've come down and basically retested that previous all-time high as support at around $7.50, which is pretty much exactly what we've been predicting for the past few weeks, to be honest, since we started covering near. And you can see we basically come all the way up to the 127 here. We rolled over, found support on the previous all-time high at around $7.50. And now we're currently trading at around $9, getting a little bounce off that low there. And you can see, potentially we're putting in a range, aren't we? Looking essentially something like this. In between our two Fibonacci levels here, that previous all-time high obviously being our 1.0. And then obviously the 127 extension of our Fibonacci here has acted as resistance. A decent bit of resistance there, and you can see we've just rolled over. And now we're getting a bounce off that previous all-time high. So basically things looking really good for near. It's doing pretty much exactly what we predicted, which was ever since, it's come down here. You can see obviously how well all these levels are respected. 618 acting as resistance here. We come down to the 0.23, come back up to the 0.50. In between these fib levels, we come down. We find a bottom down here after getting overextended to the downside outside of our range. We come back inside the range, reclaim the EMAs. We run up to the 0.38 here, resistance, and then obviously broke through. Next level of resistance, the 0.50 again. We break through the 0.618, really key level, retracement level there. We come up, we actually come back down and retest it as support, really bullish. We break all the way up pretty much to the all-time high. Come back down and find the 0.78 as support. This whole time looking super bullish. And then obviously we come down here, we find our 20 moving average as support in confluence with the 0.78 here, and then we just absolutely explode to the upside. Find that fib extension, and basically things looking really good, aren't they? So short-term price predictions then, we would say, if we do roll over, we would expect the bottom of this range and that previous all-time high to hold as well, in confluence with the 20 moving average as well. Looking at around that $7.50 to $7.70-ish area, in and around here would be very strong support we would expect. If we rolled further than that, we've got the 55 coming in at around that $6.50 level as well. And obviously price targets to the upside, we want to see ourselves coming back up to this $11.50 to $12-ish area with this Fibonacci extension at the 127. And then obviously some longer term price predictions. We've got the 141 coming in at around $15, the 161 coming in at around $20, and the 127 here coming in at around that big $60 price target for near, which we do think, considering how well it's starting to move now. If we do start to see ourselves pumping up through these levels, we could be looking at some very nice extensions. So that's it guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.